Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and today I am doing another unboxing of some more goodies that I've gotten from one of my favorite companies. This is from Not Too Shabby. Part of this is my design team products, and part of this is where, yeah, because the sets, everything for Halloween is so cute, I had to get more. So let's go ahead and take a look what Miss Jamie sent me. One thing, I believe this one was a free gift because of having so much stuff that I was ordering. So yeah, this is some cute embellishments, just some enamel dots, different colors. So that was the free gift. But let's start off with some of the goodies that are in this bag. Now, this is an ephemera pack called Spooky Witches. This time around, I'm not opening everything up because, yeah, there's too much. But you can tell just from the packaging, just from looking at it, there's a bunch of really cute little witches. Everything is in these muted tones, grays. Everything basically is like blended with gray. So we've got some pink and purple and blue, but they're not the bright pastels like we're used to with the spring and the summer. This is going to be all dark and, yes, spooky. So anyway, that's Spooky Wishes. Next, we've got a stamp set. This one is called Boo Sentiments. So we've got Boo, we've got October 31st, Witchy Woman, yes, whatever spices your pumpkin. We've got some cute pumpkins down here. We've got Happy Boo from me to you and Trick or Treat. So that is super cute. And then I think I've got things mixed up too, but that's okay. This part is from the donuts. So this is an ephemera pack full of the Halloween donuts. Okay, you guys know I loved the summer donuts. That was fabulous. These are all decorated for Halloween, so that is going to be super, super fun. Then we've got, this is a die set to go, a die set to go with the stamps that we had, the Boo Sentiments. So we've got that, and I love it when they come that way. Next, we've got stamp set that is called Best Witches. Again, witchy theme, but it's got these cute little witches in there. I mean, those are just adorable. Yeah, I got a little ghost, a haunted house, cute little spider, pumpkin, cauldron, and spider webs, along with some candy. So we've got Best Witches, and we've got Witching You a Happy Halloween. So that is super cute, plus the dies to go with, plus the papers. So these are the papers that go with all of the witchy theme stuff. And let's go ahead and open the pack up. That's also going to help, seeing as I did not open up the ephemera. You'll get an idea of what's in the ephemera pack based on what's in the paper pack, because you know that they match. So look at those cute little witches. Some printed glitter paper, and looks like those could be broomsticks, or those could just be branches. Then we've got some more cute witches with those darker tones of the colors. More witches, purple paper, spooky, 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 spooky. That is fun. We've got everything in the teals. I think I'm probably going to have to use that one because I love that color. And we've got this, and instead of a regular moon, they did it out of the glitter print. So that is kind of cool too. And then we've got some pink paper, and it looks like it pretty much starts over again. So just as usual, we've got 24 double-sided designs, 4 of each design, so you don't have to worry about not having the paper in case you can go ahead and use it because you've got extras, right? One problem I've always had with pattern paper is afraid that I was going to need it for another project and not have it, so I don't use it, so that's bad. Need to use your pattern paper. So now we've also got, this one is for the donuts, same kind of deal. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. All of our little donuts have got eyeballs. That is super cute. And they have a little spider. These are just so cute. And they're on basically all of the donuts are on a spider web background pattern. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I think that is super cute. Then we've got the sprinkles, and then we've got some chevrons, and we've got lots and lots of donuts. And this one, this almost looks like rhinestones. I'm not sure, but that is a really cool pattern. Then we've got some more of the spider webs, some more of the pumpkin. These are some pumpkins, some gourds and stuff. And then we've got more of the donuts, and then some more of the spider webs. And this is a real pretty pattern, kind of a sky kind of thing. And then this big one with the donuts and some more sprinkles, and over again. Again, 24 double-sided designs, 4 of each design, so you have plenty to play with. Okay, this part I haven't opened yet because I know that she was sending something out for the design team, so that's fabulous. So let's see. This one is the Paper Pad Club, which is my design team project stuff for this next time. So this isn't going to be Halloween, I don't think. Maybe. Let's take a look and see what's inside, because I don't know what's in this one. But it does say Paper Pad Club. Okay. Ripping up the tissue. Oh, pretty. Okay, so this is the Paper Pad Club for next month. This one's going to be for September. And we've got a bunch of pretty fall designs there and some pretty fall papers. I don't think the last time I got Paper Pad Club, I didn't get ephemera with it. So that is super sweet that she sent me some ephemera to go with it as well. So let's take a look what's in this one. I have an idea what's in these. So those Halloween ones are going to go to the side. Now we're just going with fall. Although you can always mix and match, right? So we've got hay bales and farm stuff. There's a barn. We've got some cute ladies there that are doing their fall prep. This is something I never see because you know what? I live in Florida. It's going to be still hot all through fall. When it comes to Halloween, I never knew what to have the kids dress up as for Halloween or what kind of costumes because it would still be hot. It could get cold and we didn't know for sure if it was going to happen or not. So these are just all so pretty. Oh, not anything like the spooky stuff that I've got sitting over here, right? So that is going to be fun. And then we've got these glitter papers. So let's take a look at all of the papers. And again, these are going to be part of this is going to be the Pattern Paper Club for next month. So you guys are getting a sneak peek at that. Yeah, it wasn't intentional, but I didn't want to do the Halloween one, so it just happened that way, and we're going to run with it, right? So this also means that you're going to know that at the first of the month, you need to get your order in so you can get these pretty papers. Okay, clean up. Look at a little doggy. Cute little doggy. Awesome. Okay, get that out of the way. So these are some real pretty fall colors. We've got some pumpkins. That one is a real artsy looking pattern. Got some plaid. We've got lots of leaves, sunflowers, more of the different. This is actually kind of cool. These are all kind of artistic with a little bit of glitter thrown in. So that is really nice. Teresa always outdoes herself when she is putting everything together for us. We've got some cut aparts that match our ephemera. Again, we've got lots and lots of glitter. And starts over, as always, we've got 4 of each design. Then we've got these glitter papers. And these are not actual glitter. They just look like glitter. Because this stuff does not come off. And believe me, I just did a project where I did a lot of die cutting of glitter paper and I was covered in glitter. But these are also so pretty. Great for a background. And you could actually die cut different things out of these too. But it is in all of those pretty fall colors. Okay, so that is my unboxing and haul video from Not Too Shabby Shop. Be sure to come back soon to see what I make with all of these fun goodies, because that is coming soon. And check out this playlist to see some more videos where I'm using Not Too Shabby Shop products. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys. Oh, these are so cute.